They say she get it from her mama. I'ma say you fucking right. Body rude is unpolite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down?
I'm going to be sharing my step-by-step routine to wake up absolutely glowing using only affordable products. So let's get started. The key word in this whole routine is moisture. So I'm going in with a moisturizing cleanser and making sure to work that into my skin for at least 1 full minute. One of the reasons you may be waking up with congested or irritated skin is because of improper cleansing. So this step is very important. I make sure to rinse off the product thoroughly because having any residue left on the skin can impact the effectiveness of skincare products that follow. I pat my face dry with a fresh clean towel and then go ahead to apply my peel. This product went viral years ago, but I still use it at least once a month because of how good it is. This peel basically dissolves all of the dead, dull skin that's sitting on top of your face, and you wake up the next day with a new, fresh layer of skin that's just glowing and beautiful. Pro tip, this product can be used on other parts of the body. Some people like to use it to help with discoloration in their armpits, but I prefer to use it on my feet to help smooth them out. I let the product sit for the recommended time, and yes, this will sting, but only for the first few minutes. Afterwards, I rinse my face thoroughly with lukewarm water. The next step is body care, and the first thing we're going to do is dry brushing. This is a form of physical exfoliation, so your skin is going to feel very soft afterwards, but it's also good for circulation and may help improve the appearance of cellulite if that matters to you. When dry brushing, a good tip is to always brush in the direction of where your heart is. Next, I'm going to hop in the shower, making sure to use my exfoliating glove and my oil-based bar soap. I use a lot of bar soaps, but I think my top right now is the Dr. Bronner's. It's important for the soaps to be oil-based because they do not strip the skin. Remember, the key word in this whole routine is moisture. But oil-based soaps also are really effective in removing dirt and product residue. I have a few shower routines up that talk about how I cleanse my skin in detail, but 2 things that I always repeat is number 1, to scrub your skin in circular motions, and number 2, take your time. Do not rush, let the soap do its job. For my feet, I like to use a foot paddle to really buff and smooth everything out. I am then grabbing this sugar scrub to exfoliate my skin some more. Aside from brightening dull skin, exfoliating will also help any products that we apply later on absorb better into the skin, so do not skip this step. Once we are rinsed and out of the shower, we move on to the most important step of this routine, moisturizing. Starting off with my face, I'm going in with this very thick moisturizer. I once saw a TikTok that said that the viral La Mer face cream literally has the exact same ingredients as this Nivea cream. How crazy is that? This product provides a long-lasting hydration, and you literally wake up glowing as if you just applied it. Seeing as we did an acid peel, your skin needs to be soothed by something, and this product is just that. For moisturizing the rest of my body, I flip between these two depending on my mood, but today I'm using the thicker cream because we did a lot of exfoliation. I make sure to apply this all over and taking my time so I do not miss any spots. I have 2 new piercings, so I'm going to apply some disinfecting spray to them as well. Once everywhere, including my lips, has been moisturized, I go in with the scent of the night. I love this perfume because it contains essential oils that actually help relieve stress, so I love using it before I go to bed. I take a second to change into my breathable cotton pajamas. But we are not done moisturizing. I'm going to go in with this L'Occitane hand cream that is a lifesaver, and it smells divine. Last but not least, a satin bonnet to help retain moisture and keep your hair frizz-free throughout the night. If you follow this routine step by step, you'll wake up with your skin soft and glowing, you'll be smelling amazing and ready to take on your day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one.